Welcome everyone to HFN, where we trade different. Today is December the 8th, 2019. Updating you all on our XRP price forecast of the last 2 days. This is an exclusive price prediction to where we're not here to confuse you. We're not here to give you that fancy technical analysis jargon that so many people utilize. And look at our chart. It's not confusing. And we're still going to pinpoint precisely where we expect the market in XRP to move as we go out through this work week. So thank you all for coming to our video on today. You appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, our website. All of those locations where we'll be delivering our price forecast for many other cryptocurrencies and or stocks. Now let's talk about XRP. Let me bring it down to a daily time frame real quick. You can see right here on the 6th of December, we did our price prediction for XRP with the expectation of the stock moving to the upside in price, and precisely as what it did, we got that 3.29% out the market in XRP. So now let's go ahead and get rid of it since the market has played out what we expected it to do. And we're going to talk about the market in XRP going forward. Overall, this area, 22 cents, is where the market has to hold support. I want you to see that as we continue to see XRP move higher in price, the volume decreased. So that tells us that we're not seeing that much strength as what we saw when we first did our price prediction on December the 6th. That is cause of concern as well, to see the viability of XRP continuing to see those higher prices. So overall, the market in XRP is just holding a very tight consolidational range right there between 23.5 cents all the way down to 21.5. So we're not really seeing a lot of price action going on into the market for XRP as of this particular time. Okay, we are seeing some weakness coming in on the 4-hour chart, the 3-hour chart as well. We're seeing some indications of weakness too. Looking at XRP on the 2-hour time frame, and again, I think we are showing a climax coming into this particular cryptocurrency as of this moment. So we need to determine how low the market in XRP can go in order to maintain the ability to see those higher prices. Okay. So this is the ultimate slope in the market for XRP. I'm going to get rid of this line here. And this is where the market in XRP has to trade in order to see and maintain that strength of it moving higher in price. This is the slope. It's a pretty strong slope as well as we see this market in XRP continue to trade. Seeing that we are seeing some many cases of weakness into this particular currency, we cannot allow the market in XRP break below 23 cents. Okay, if we do, we cannot break below this ascending line, which is around 22.5 cents. Well, I would say around 22 and 800ths of a cent. We cannot break below. Okay, so what we're going to do in the market for XRP is we're going to have to play this on a very small time frame, allow the market to play out. So we're just going to play this on an hourly time frame. If you guys miss out, you just miss out if you watch it too late. But like I stated, we're seeing so many cases of weakness coming to the market. We're just going to play it right now in that particular function. So we're going to play the market in XRP continue to move lower, maybe about 1% movement. We would TP it right there at 23 cents though. So let's see what that would be. About 1/4% in the market prior to us resuming to higher prices. But this is what we're going to look at as we trade out in this space in XRP. For the moment, we're just playing it because it can still trade above this ascending line, right? But given the direction of movement that we're anticipating, it could go a lot lower than our anticipated TP location. It can even come all the way down here. All right, so we're just going to play the market in XRP moving to the downside. TP is going to be at 23 cents and we see strength coming to the market. And then ultimately, this is just the area that we can see the market in XRP trade. So this is our price forecast in the market for XRP on the hourly time frame. We're not going to play this on the daily. because the market is giving us a lot of indecision from a daily perspective. But just keep in mind that I told you that as we traded out into the market in XRP, we saw that weakness by the lack of volume coming in, that we're losing the interest to see higher prices. Okay, so this is it. Give us your thoughts, your opinion as to whether or not you think XRP is going to be moving higher. Do you think it's going to be moving lower? Leave us a comment. Make sure you always maintain profitability, and I will see you on the next one.